Hello guys, welcome to another video of my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I do my thumbnails that you always see on my YouTube page. If I go here, my channel, videos, and see I always have this, for example this, like this, you know, but how do I do them? That's what I'm gonna show you today. I do almost all my thumbnails. This one just YouTube showed me, and also this one, and this one I just took a screenshot. But anyways, the majority of the videos are just literally the thumbnails that I made. So I'm gonna show you how I actually do them. So yeah, first of all, I hold on my keyboard Control, Shift, and D, and it shows this. It shows something that puts document properties, and I put width 1080 and height 720. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna zoom out. Okay. So first of all, I paint in all my thing. Maybe not green. Gonna show you some typical of my this kind of like, and I have an idea or something channel plans type of thumbnail. So yeah, I take a dark one. I put an even darker one on top, and I just do this. Control C to copy, Control V to like paste it. There you have it. I have this. Okay, so now I get this and then draw these are curves and straight lines. I take, for example, yellow in this case, and I'm just kind of take forever to write it. That takes quite a lot. It's the fun of it, I guess. But yeah, that's how I make it. So guys, I'm gonna be just do it, and then I'm gonna be back. So let's me go ahead and finish it, and I show you how to do the rest. Okay, as you can see, I'm back. I did the whole thing, thumbnail. Don't ask me how much that took. Okay, and now I'm gonna choose this thing again. For example, I'm gonna show you how to round things, make things round on it. Actually, my dad helped me discover this, so thanks to my dad. And then you click this, the second mode. You click Control, or whatever. Not this Control. There's one control I forgot about. It was Control something. Well, I forgot. Okay, yeah. You just have to spam Control. This. And this. This. And this. Now I can just make it a little better. I can move this a little bit up. Can just move this out a little bit. As you can see, now I got it round. Now I just got a square and I just put it here. That's how you round things. And now I'm gonna show you something. Also, it's not gonna be like very difficult. Okay, and also I'm gonna show how, if you don't know how to copy and paste, it's Control C, Control double, Control V, as you can see. And you can click H, which on my keyboard it doesn't work, but if you will click H, it's gonna do this, yeah, or something like that. Sorry for my keyboard not working properly. It's not my fault. My computer is not the newest, definitely, but it works. I make majority of my videos on it. I'm gonna make a pencil now. And also, if you want to download the Inkscape, I'm gonna put the link down below. It's actually free. It's very good, I recommend it to you. It's not sponsored. No. Red pencil, like with a rubber, I guess. Whatever the thing on the back is sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna fix it a little bit. You can click the plus and the minus to do this, because that's a little weird. Let's make it smaller. This, now I have to adjust it also. And now this. Now make it circle. And yeah, that's that point. Now go up. Take a kind of brownish color. See, brownish because it's not fully like brown when you do take it in real life. Okay. Okay, this now it's the same stuff. Okay, I forgot to make it like this. And yeah, that's my thumbnail. I just select it all, right click it and click it group. So now I move it. I just click Ctrl Z if I mess up or something and I wanna retake it. Yeah guys, you can learn easily if you just have to take some time. For example, I can show you my files. My Inkscape. Look how many I did. It's all the things for YouTube. Yeah, it's quite a lot, but I got good with it. I hope you like them. So yeah guys, I showed you everything I know about Inkscape and that I use in doing my thumbnails. And now this thumbnail I just made in the video, I'm gonna put it on on the thumbnail of this video. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and I will see you next time. So goodbye.